In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer not responding. If your File Explorer keeps freezing, taking forever to open folders, or suddenly stops responding, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a series of practical fixes, starting from the simplest and moving toward more advanced options. Follow along on your own computer as I explain each step. And feel free to pause after each one so you can try it yourself. We'll begin with the quickest resets. First, try closing and restarting File Explorer. You can do this by opening Task Manager, finding the File Explorer process, ending it, and then starting it again. This simple refresh often clears temporary glitches without changing any of your files or settings. If that doesn't solve it, we'll move on to restarting your computer. A full restart can clear background processes that might be interfering with File Explorer. Make sure to save any open work before you do this. Next, we'll clean up File Explorer history. Over time, the recent files and folders list can become cluttered or corrupted. We'll open the Folder Options window, locate the section for Privacy or History, and clear that history. While we're there, we'll also set File Explorer to open to this PC instead of Quick Access, which can reduce the load when it first opens. After that, we'll look at disabling third-party add-ons that might be causing conflicts. Some applications add extra options to your right-click menus or File Explorer toolbar. If one of those is buggy, it can cause freezing. I'll show you how to temporarily turn those off so you can test whether they're the problem. We'll also run built-in Windows tools to repair system files. Using the command line, we'll run checks that scan for corrupted system files and automatically try to repair them. This step can take a little time, so be patient and let it finish. If File Explorer is still not responding, we'll review your Windows updates and optional updates. Sometimes, a known bug has already been fixed in a newer update, so installing the latest patches can quietly resolve the problem in the background. Finally, I'll explain some best practices to prevent this issue in the future. We'll talk about keeping enough free space on your system drive, avoiding overloading a single folder with too many large files, and regularly restarting your device. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear set of methods you can use anytime File Explorer stops responding on Windows 11. Let's get started.